Off-roading takes many forms. People get out in machines of all shapes and sizes, including ones you can't even fit into. Because of their colossal fun factor, these small wonders are exploding in popularity. But for some, it's been a lifelong passion.
I can remember far back as, very young age, every Christmas, what I wanted was an RC car. The next Christmas, another RC car. Next year, another RC car. It's what I've always liked. I work on cars. That's what my career is. And when I'm done with it, I'm out messing with cars, and small, big, I love them all.
And he's turned that love of off-road RC into the perfect excuse to get the family outside, spending time together.
My boys have the one that I bought very first was a Traxxas Stampede. That was my very first expensive RC car, and that's actually what my boys have as their first RC car. So it's actually the exact same thing.
I've been RC carring for years. Being outside and hanging with my family and my dad, it's just really fun. We do some races, and we have a bunch of RC cars, so my probably favorite one is our drifters. An RC car that goes fast.
In addition to developing children's spatial perception and hand-eye coordination, RC machines can help clear the mind.
I just like that after a 10-hour shift, you just get off, you have a controller in your hand, and you don't realize that you just went on a 2-3 mile hike. You just go out and play, and that's the only thing you think about is the RC car while you're out there.
And if you don't want to relax, you can always punch that throttle.
Drifting, jumping off rocks, just walk, keep eyes on your car, and going through that river. A little bit worried and excited.
The crazy thing is, you get these RC cars nowadays and they're really built just like the real Jeeps, other than they just come in smaller parts. I mean, they're micro scale. So it's just like working on a real Jeep, obviously just littler parts and not as greasy. I also enjoy working on them. I mean, it also helps you escape your brain. That's half the joy for me, is breaking them, bashing them, going to fix them, and upgrading the parts, making them faster.
It's mostly my dad that works on them, but I help him sometimes. He's taught me little things, and I like that it's fast. We just upgraded it like a week ago, I think. RC cars are the best. It's a good habit to spend time with my family.
Yeah, it just gets everyone out, away from the screens that everyone obviously likes to enjoy nowadays. Out here, it's fresh air. There's nothing better.